In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take a long screenshot of a VK chat on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to the App Store and then search for Zeta, Z-E-T-A, just like that. After that, tap at Zeta Stitch Long Screenshots, and that's how we can easily find the app which we need to download to our device. I have already this app downloaded on my iPhone, so I'm just gonna skip this step. And once the app is downloaded on yours, just hit add open, and after that you need to grant all the necessary permissions like access to your gallery and network connection. They will appear right here, and then just tap on them, and once it is done, close the app for now. Once it is done, guys, then on the next step we need to head over to settings. After that, tap at Control Center, and here you need to ensure that screen recording is added to included controls. If it is not, just like that, scroll down until you find it here, and then tap at the plus button next to it. After that, we need to start recording our screen first, so I'm just gonna swipe down from the top right corner to bring up the Control Center, and then tap right here at that shortcut, and after 3 seconds countdown, it will start recording our screen. Now, guys, we need to head over to VK. Then I'm gonna head over to chats. I'm just gonna open up that conversation, and now all we have to do in order to take a long screenshot of that conversation is just drag it down to go up. You need to do it quite slow, like I am doing right now, and then just keep dragging until all the necessary messages are recorded, just like that, and then just stop screen recording. Now, guys, we need to head over to the Zeta Stitch. It has just recognized that I recorded a video, and now we need to trim all the parts of the video except the part with our chat, just like that. We can trim it from the start and from the end as well, just like so. And then to continue, hit add next. What that will do, that will convert the recorded video into an image. Here we can check that image, and then to save it to our gallery, just hit right here at save. It has been already saved to our gallery. However, from here now we can first off hit at sharing to share it with someone via Messenger or maybe social media platform. Also, we can hit at delete originals to remove original video that we have recently recorded. And then if you head over to photos, then that's where you can easily find this long screenshot, and that's basically it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.